This video is a tutorial for assembling your Kreep-Up. Prior to beginning, be sure to read all information provided to you with your Kreep-Up. The packaging of your Kreep-Up is carefully designed for simplicity, allowing you to effortlessly remove all components from the box. The components included with your Kreep-Up are shown here. Tools needed but not included are a 7/16 inch socket wrench and a 7/16 inch box and open end wrench. First, attach both wheel assemblies to the base using 3/4 inch long bolts, one washer and one locking nut at each fastener hole. Fully tighten each. Heads of bolts should be facing up. Next, place the left side support into the left side post of the base as shown here. Do the same for the right side support. Then, insert the center bar with the Kreep-Up logo facing towards the base platform. Use 2-inch long bolts, 2 washers, and 1 locking nut for each support to base connection. Heads of the bolts should be facing out away from the base platform. Begin to tighten the nuts, but do not fully tighten the nuts at this time. Now, use 1 3/4 inch long bolts, 2 washers, and 1 locking nut for the center bar connections, and fully tighten. Heads of bolts should be facing up. Once the center bar is secure, go back and tighten all side support to base connections. Make sure they are fully tightened to ensure the stability of your Kreep-Up. Position the chest pad between the left and right slide arms as seen here. Attach using a 1 3/4 inch long bolt, 2 washers, and 1 locking nut at each of the 4 fastener holes. Fully tighten each. Heads of bolts should be facing out. You are now ready to insert the slide arms into the base supports as seen here. Be sure that the chest pad is to the outrigger side when inserting the arms. Insert the right locking pin through the aligned holes as shown here. Repeat the process for the left locking pin. Next, insert the tightening knobs into the threaded inserts on each side support as shown here. Tighten fully to secure the slide arm assembly at your desired height. Finally, attach the knee pad to the step. The knee pad has pre-installed bolts that align with through holes on the step. Secure with 2 wing nuts. Position the step kneeler assembly so that the bracket tabs align with matching slots in the side supports. Your Kreep-Up is now ready for use.